The main dentistry lies in the third and the final year. And I love my teachers. I have loved every teacher who ever taught us till now. They're really cooperative. Some are really frank too. So you don't need to worry. Hi, so many people keep asking me about my college, my campus, the studies, and the facilities here. So, I study at Riyadh Bhara Dental College and Hospital Mohali. So, talking about the studying part, if you're worried about that, nobody tells this no matter how great the teacher is, it all depends on you. The main thing that matters in the end is your self study. Yes, the classes matter, they matter so much, but still, if the teacher is not teaching that well, that doesn't mean you cannot do it yourself, right? So you don't have to worry about the academic part, especially at a college, because it's great. So let's get into the practical part. BDS is all about practicals. It is. It absolutely is. But if completely focusing on the practical part, you might fail in your theoretical exams because colleges here are affiliated to the Baba Farid University of Health Sciences. They check our papers, not our college teachers. So you have to study hard. You have to pay attention to the practical part too, equally. And talking about how the practicals and the patient quota is. The patient quota is fine here. Sometimes there are so many patients in our college, and sometimes they disappear somewhere. I don't know, but still, I have been able to practice a lot, various different kinds of patients. So you don't have to worry about the patient quota. Yes, as compared to the government colleges, patient quota is usually always less in private colleges. The teachers also teach very well, but you must know one thing, that once you enter college, there will not be any kind of pampering. Teachers aren't going to come to you and tell you the things that are important for you. You have to go, you have to ask them, you have to, show your interest so that they teach you with interest as well. So, if you want to select a perfect college for you, keep in your mind that there is never a perfect college. So, every college has some pros and cons. I can tell you only one thing: if you're looking for a good college, just find a good location so that whenever you want something, you can get it right away, other than traveling so far away and getting those things. So, I chose personally this college because of the location. Okay, some colleges might be great, but then they are expensive. BDS is really expensive because you have to buy a lots of instruments, lots of materials. So make sure you're keeping everything in your mind while choosing a college. Because if you're spending all your money on the fees, then how will you get the practical work done, right? So everything you have to consider before joining a college. Talking about my college, the campus is great because it's not just a college, it's a part of a university. What I think is that you should learn to adjust. If you are interested about the hostel, yes, there are restrictions. There is video call thing before and after coming from home. This is something you need to know before coming here. If you're not somebody who can, adjust with all these restrictions, then consider taking a PG or a flat or something. Restrictions are many. Mess food is average. Breakfast is fine, lunch is fine. I personally never like the dinner. Sometimes it's okay. So this is about the mess. And we have almost every facility. Yes, Zomato is allowed here. Blinkit is also available. Zepto is available. Everything is available. We also have a shop inside our hostel, which is open till like 1 a.m. every single day. We have access to various facilities here. Wi-Fi is also available. We get like 15 days off during summers, and they do that in rotations. First year and third year together, second year and final year together. So our shift was first one this year. We also have winter vacations for like 10 days, and there is no dress code as such, so you don't need to worry about that. So if you want to know which college is better, I don't have much to say about that. Just choose whatever you get, because sometimes you end up getting nothing and regretting it later on.